Spaceships are vehicles designed to travel in outer space, beyond Earth's atmosphere. The first human-made object to reach outer space was the German V-2 rocket in 1944, designed by Wernher von Braun. The first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, was launched by the Soviet Union on October 4, 1957. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969 was the first time humans set foot on the moon, with astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin Jr. Space shuttles were reusable spacecraft used by NASA for human spaceflight missions from 1981 to 2011. The International Space Station is a habitable artificial satellite that orbits Earth, serving as a space environment research laboratory. The International Space Station travels at an average speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour and completes an orbit around Earth approximately every 90 minutes. Spaceships use rockets to propel them through space. Rockets work by expelling mass in one direction, which creates a thrust in the opposite direction, according to Newton's third law of motion. The Space Shuttle Atlantis holds the record for the longest-serving orbital spacecraft, completing its final mission on July 21, 2011, after 33 missions and 307 days in space. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, orbits Earth and has provided stunning images of the universe, revolutionizing our understanding of space. Spaceships need to be designed to withstand the harsh conditions of space, including extreme temperatures, radiation, and microgravity. The fastest spacecraft ever built is the Parker Solar Probe, which reached speeds of up to 700,000 kilometers per hour on its mission to study the Sun. The Mars rovers, such as Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity, are robotic spacecraft designed to explore the surface of Mars. Spacecraft can be powered by various energy sources, including solar panels, nuclear power, and chemical reactions. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, is the farthest human-made object from Earth and is still transmitting data back to Earth. Spaceships often use thrusters to maneuver in space, adjusting their course and orientation. The Saturn V rocket, used in the Apollo missions, remains the tallest, heaviest, and most powerful rocket ever brought to operational status. The concept of a space elevator has been proposed as a way to transport people and cargo from Earth to space using a tether anchored to the planet's surface. The space race between the United States and the Soviet Union during the Cold War era led to significant advancements in space exploration technology. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, launched in 2005, is a spacecraft orbiting Mars that has provided valuable data about the planet's surface and atmosphere. The Juno spacecraft, launched in 2011, is studying Jupiter's composition, gravity field, magnetic field, and polar magnetosphere. Spaceships must carry supplies such as food, water, and oxygen for crew members on long-duration missions. The concept of a space hotel has been proposed, where people could stay in orbit around Earth for leisure or tourism purposes. The Soviet Union's Mir space station, launched in 1986, was the first modular space station and operated in low Earth orbit until 2001. The Space Launch System is a powerful rocket being developed by NASA to carry astronauts to the Moon, Mars, and other deep space destinations. Spaceships can be launched from various locations on Earth, including spaceports, military bases, and even the ocean. The Apollo lunar module was the spacecraft used to land astronauts on the Moon during the Apollo missions. The concept of a space colony involves humans living and working in space on a permanent basis, possibly on other planets or moons. The European Space Agency is an intergovernmental organization dedicated to the exploration of space, with 22 member states. Spaceships must be carefully designed to protect astronauts from the dangers of space, including solar radiation and micrometeoroids. The Chinese Space Agency has been rapidly expanding its space program, with plans for a crewed lunar mission and a Mars rover. If you enjoyed this video about spaceships, please like, share, and subscribe.